This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the front wheel diagonally opposite to the wheel being removed. Pull the plastic covers from the wheel nuts, then slacken each of the nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the rear axle, then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the adjacent chassis member. Fully unscrew the nuts and remove the wheel. Support the axle with a trolley jack. Clean the exposed threads of the lower mounting bolt, then unscrew the nut and remove it. Clean the exposed threads of the upper mounting bolt, then unscrew the nut and remove it. If necessary, apply penetrating fluid to the threads. Withdraw the shock absorber from under the vehicle. Maneuver the shock absorber into position, then insert the upper mounting bolt with the large flat washer. Align the lower end of the shock absorber with the mounting bracket, then insert the lower mounting bolt. Refit the upper mounting nut. Fit and tighten the lower nut to the specified torque. Tighten the upper nut to the specified torque. Lower the axle. Locate the wheel over the hub studs, then refit and lightly tighten the wheel nuts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the nuts to the specified torque. Refit the plastic covers and remove the wheel chocks.